Welcome to another in our video series, 3 Minutes of California Family Law, brought to you by Family Law San Diego. Hi, I'm Bud Klueck, founding and managing partner of Family Law San Diego. Today's topic is why divorcing spouses should not be talking to one another. Well, obviously they can talk to one another about day-to-day stuff, like if they're still residing together, who's going to pick up some milk on the way home from work, or who's going to take Jenny or Jeff to soccer practice. But please stop talking about the case. I understand the instinct. You want to get it over with as soon as possible. Humans hate being under stress, and divorce is a very stressful experience. Additionally, people normally try to minimize things. We all think of ourselves as being normal, everyday, middle-class people, and our divorce is really simple. I do the same thing with my tax accountant. I tell her that this will be a real simple return because we're simple folk. And then she asks, what about the Avon side business that mom has? Or what about the dividends you were paid for the stock? Or what about that short job you did that created a 1099? And suddenly that simple tax return is looking a lot more complicated. It is very similar with divorce. I've had lots of people come into our office and say, we're going to have a very simple divorce. And believe me, it is never as simple as they think it's going to be. This is particularly true that you should not be talking to one another about the case if you're going to be using professionals like lawyers, mediators, or financial planners. This is because you don't necessarily know the law or know the tax code. I often say to clients, whatever they do, I put them in their workplaces. And I say, you could drop me in the middle of an aircraft carrier or in the middle of a hair salon, and I would not know what I was doing. Believe me, California family law is at least as complicated. The treaties involved with California family law are the size of 5 Bibles, literally. If you were here, I could show them to you. So stop talking about it, particularly because you're not that familiar with the law. The other problem is often one or the other spouse tries to be nice to the other one in negotiations, thinking that if I'm nice, they will reciprocate. That really seldom happens. There's a cliche that no good turn ever goes unpunished, and that's particularly true in negotiating divorce settlements. It is very tough when you start the mediation, and the parties realize what they are entitled to under the law. They may not be quite so eager to live with the agreement that the two spouses negotiated over the kitchen table. And then the other spouse thinks you're reneging on our deal, and there's a lot of bad blood created. Please start the mediation or the negotiation with a clean slate. A clean slate because you guys were not talking about the divorce case over the kitchen table. I hope this helps. If you need more information, please contact us. Our phone number is 619-448-6500, or stated a different way, area 619-448-6500. Our website is www.familylawsandiego.com. I'll repeat that, www.familylawsandiego.com. One word, no break, no lines, no dots, one word. I hope this has been helpful. It's another one in our video series, 3 Minutes of California Family Law.